Hey there, I'm Tanya Bernadette, and I help working mamas find their powerful, fun, confident selves again through fashion. I also have a podcast called Lifepreneur Project, where I have conversations with leaders on how to create change that lasts and bringing together the community. Today, we are going to talk about the three biggest shopping mistakes that mamas make and some solutions to help you fix them. I want to start with number one, which is getting stuck buying items from the sale section. And I know we've all done this, and especially moms, because we kind of put ourselves on the back burner sometimes. We're thinking about baby and college and the holidays and everything that they need, and we forget about ourselves. So if we want to buy something, we think that maybe it should just be a sale item. But the problem with this is that if you stick to only buying sale items, you might not even be happy with them. One thing that you have to keep in mind is that the pieces that are on sale are pieces that didn't work for anybody or the majority of people. And so they're putting it on sale to get rid of it. You have to have time to really go through those items and make sure that you like them. And you have to be very honest with yourself that you love the piece more than you love the price tag. So my suggestion is always, especially if you're building a closet and you don't have a lot of time, just buy regular price items that you're going to wear often, and then use the sale rack as just fun random pieces that you're trying to add in. Number two, you're waiting too long between shopping sessions. So our style and our life are constantly evolving. And if you wait too long between shopping again, you're going to actually feel like you have to buy a whole new wardrobe because you're going to be tired of seeing the same pieces. And I think it's really important to budget in new items because you want to keep your wardrobe fresh. And I honestly do not believe that you need a giant closet to make you feel happy or to make you feel like you have something to wear. When I work with clients, I'm all about having a condensed wardrobe of pieces that you can easily mix and match and go and grab something that you need. So instead, if you can't buy something for 20 bucks every month, wait every couple months, but buy some new pieces that make you feel good. Number three, you are stuck buying styles that you were wearing before baby. So most mamas, our bodies have changed after baby, and if our body hasn't changed, our life has drastically changed. So before baby, maybe you're wearing a lot of dry clean, maybe you're wearing dresses, but after baby, it's hard to wear dresses. I mean, for myself, I'm breastfeeding, so I'm not gonna just like lift my dress up and start feeding my baby. I have to wear tops and pants or a top and a skirt. So you have to think a little bit more about functionality. Plus, maybe your life has changed. Maybe you're working part-time now, and so you're at home part-time. Or maybe, like most of us, we're at home all the time. And so our style is evolving, and you need to also make sure that your style is aligning with the evolution that you're going through right now. If any of this sounds like it's helpful, I mean, imagine just opening up your closet and having pieces that you love that you don't have to think about. I'm actually creating a workshop that's coming up and I'm inviting you. I would love to see you there. I'm going to talk about the 3 secrets to build a closet you love. And you can sign up and register at myclosetedit.com. That's at myclosetedit.com. And I'm going to dive deeper into all of these topics. And also you're going to get some worksheets that you can fill out, and it's going to help you understand everything more and put this all into action. So if you have any questions, go to the live workshop that I'm doing because we're going to be answering them. We're going to be having a chat and talking. And I really hope to see you there. So don't forget to register at myclosetedit.com.